In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect your Stripe account from Acuity Scheduling. Now, this process is straightforward, but it's crucial to follow these steps carefully to ensure everything goes smoothly. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to access your Acuity Scheduling account. To do this, head over to your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing your scheduling needs on Acuity. Look to the left side of your screen where you'll find a menu filled with various options for managing your settings and preferences. Next, what you need to focus on is the payment settings section. This is a vital area because it's where you manage how payments are processed through your Acuity scheduling account. Go ahead and click on payment settings, which will then bring up all the various configurations related to payment processing platforms that you might be using. Once you're in the payment settings, you should find yourself looking at the payment processor section. Take a moment to look through this area until you locate your connected Stripe account. It's important because each processor listed here plays a role in how you receive payments from your clients. Keep an eye on the Stripe entry, as this is the account we plan to disconnect today. You'll notice to the right of your Stripe account entry, there is a red disconnect button. This button is key as it will begin the process of unlinking Stripe from your account. Go ahead and click on this disconnect button. Clicking it doesn't immediately sever the connection, it merely initiates the disconnection process. After you click, be prepared to see a prompt asking you to confirm the disconnection. This confirmation step ensures that there's no accidental disconnection happening, and it's a smart security measure to prevent mishaps. Make sure you're ready to proceed and then confirm that you wish to disconnect your Stripe account. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully disconnected your Stripe account from Acuity Scheduling. At this point, the two platforms are no longer linked and payments will no longer be processed through Stripe unless you choose to reconnect them in the future. Remember, should you need to integrate another payment processor, you can easily do so through the same payment settings section. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you run into any issues during the process or have further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Acuity's support team for assistance. Thank you for watching, and now you can confidently manage your payment integrations with ease.